do you want to get some ice cream or some lemonade? Let's look for an ice cream truck or a lemonade stand. Hey, what's that sound? I don't know. I'll go check. It's an ice cream truck. $2. Did you bring any money?
I did. Just a second. My purse fell down. Here it is.
Oh, okay. All right. Hi, I would like 2 ice creams. Okay. And I also see a lemonade stand. Oh, my hands. So I would like 2 ice creams for $10. Here you go. Just leave it there. Hey! Yeah, leave it. Hey, I haven't chose out my ice cream. I would like a rainbow snow cone coming right up. And what else? And Ruthie, I think, would like a donut that is purple. No problem.
She can put it in her purse.
All right, let's go. To the lemonade stand.
Okay, is that the end?
No.
It's long. Come on, come on.
All right, so I would like 1 cookie and oops, my hat. Oh, never mind. I would like a snowman cookie and a cup of lemonade. That will be $2, please. Just wait. I'll give you a 10. Okay, just leave it there. Oh. That is good. All right, let's go home. My son hat. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!